Hi, this is Vikas Umro, and today I'm going to show you that how to easily set up your payment gateway in WooCommerce store. But first, we will have to know about that what is payment gateway. A payment gateway is a technology used by merchants to accept debit or credit card purchases from customer. There are a lot of payment gateways which can be used in the WooCommerce store. So let me show you an example in which payment gateway is not integrated yet in my store, and I'm going to show you step by step that how the payment gateway will work on the store and how we can integrate the payment gateway. So let's move on to the shop page. I have added a dummy product over here, the watch. I'm clicking on that now. As you can see, the product description page opens. I will now click add to cart. Then I will view cart. Then I'll proceed to checkout and see what happens. This is the billing information page and the checkout page. So in order to purchase this product, I will have to fill all the information above and then proceed to place an order. As you can see, sorry, it seems there are no available payment method for your state. Please contact us. So right now, my store and has not integrated any of the payment gateways yet. So let me show you that how to integrate the payment gateways step by step. The WooCommerce plugin comes with some built-in payment gateway options. So let's integrate them first, and then when we move on to the another third-party plugins which also support WooCommerce. So let's move on to the setting under the WooCommerce tab. And then we will click on the payment option over here. So as you can see, there are three built-in payment options by default, which WooCommerce provide us. The first one is the direct bank transfer. The direct bank transfer takes payment in person. The most commonly we can use it in a direct bank transfer or transfer wise. So in order to enable it, we will just have to click on this one, enable tick mark, and then we can set up the basic information we need to do, add about our bank details and stuff like that. We will add account number, account name, account number, bank number, routing number, IBAN, and SWIFT number accordingly. And then we will click on this enable check mark and then save the changes. And let's see that if the WooCommerce bank transfer payment option is integrated or not. We will simply refresh the checkout page. And as you can see, the direct bank transfer payment option is integrated. So let's move on to the another payment option. We will simply click on that one. If you want to add the check payments, basically check payment is an offline gateway which is not commonly used in the e-commerce store. You can also integrate them, but I will not recommend it. The third one is the cash on delivery. Cash on delivery is another payment option which is available in the WooCommerce store by default. The customer can only pay the cash upon the delivery. If you want to enable the cash on delivery payment option on your WooCommerce store, you just have to click on this enable button and then set off the cash on delivery on your WooCommerce store. You can just change the title, description, and instruction upon the delivery, and you can also enable the shipping methods. The shipping methods, you can also set up the flat rate, the free shipping and the local pickup. You can set the rates according to the shipping rates. If you want to, or if you make all the changes to this method, then you just have to simply click on the save changes and make sure that this check mark is enabled on the cash on delivery. Let me check that how it works now. The cash on delivery as added to the WooCommerce store or not. As you can see, the cash on delivery is also added. Okay, let's move on to the third-party payment options. The WooCommerce has ability to add free and premium payment methods. There are a lot of third-party payment gateways and WooCommerce like PayPal, Stripe, Skrill, Amazon Pay, Google Pay, and stuff like that. So we can simply add that and the plugins directory under the appearance tab. We will click on that and click on the add new. So if a user want to add a PayPal, they just can type the PayPal and this keyword search option. And as you can see, a lot of plugins appear here. So right now we can simply install this one, but as you can see, let me install this one first, the PayPal WooCommerce Gateway plugin, and then activate it. Ooh, the exchange required to switch the Kuma. As you can see, this plugin as retired from the WooCommerce. They want us to ship to another plugin. Let me install that one plugin, activate the plugin. I will deactivate the previous one. The WooCommerce PayPal option. So right now we will install this plugin and then we will move on to the setting tab under the WooCommerce and then click on the payment in order to activate that PayPal. As you can see over here, the PayPal payment options appear here. If I want to enable a PayPal on my WooCommerce store, then I will click simply on this button, enable it. And then I will simply connect my PayPal account into the WooCommerce store. Then I'll click on this connect one. Then as you can see, connect PayPal account to start accepting payments on the WooCommerce developers. I will just log into my PayPal account and then it will automatically be integrated. But if I want to do it in a manual mode, then I will click on this one. I will add the email address, the live merchant ID, live client ID, and the secret key. If you don't know what are these, then you just have to simply log into the PayPal account and then click on the developer mode and it will appear on that page. If that's not, then we will discuss this on the next video. Okay, so let's move on to the next payment method and let's see that the payment method PayPal is integrated or not. It is not integrated because we did not save it. save the changes. Then let's check it out. Again. So I guess in order to add that, we will just have to add the API credential over here and then click on save changes as well. Well, then check it out. Okay, let's move on to this one page, PayPal. Oh, just simply add the crosswindow@hotmail.com and then save it. Save changes and then check it out. Oh, sorry, I just forgot to enable the check mark. As you can see, the PayPal is also integrated over here, but in order to the PayPal to work on the checkout page, you just have to need the live secret key and the things which I have shown to you, this merchant ID, the client ID, and secret key. So you just have to grab that from your PayPal account and just fill the information over here and then save the changes in order to make sure that it connects your WooCommerce store. Okay, so if you want to add another payment option, so the procedure as simple as it is. You just have to go to the plugin directory, add new. If you want to add Stripe, just simply type Stripe payment. Install this one, activate it. You can go to the setting of the Stripe payment method, or you have to go to the settings. Then click on the payments option under the WooCommerce. Then if you go, as you can see, Stripe has many payment options like the EPS, Ideal, GeroPay, Alipay, and stuff like that. If you want to integrate of your desired payment option from this one, the procedure is the same. Then you just have to enable this one and then set up your secret key and uh, the publish key stuff over here. As you can see, let me show you that how this works. I will simply click on this one. I am in my Stripe dashboard right now. This is a test account, so it is not activated yet. So let me show you. If you want to integrate a Stripe payment method into your WooCommerce store, you will just have to need the publish key and the secret key. So how I will grab that keys? I will need to log into my Stripe payment account and then simply click on the developer mode. And then, as you can see, copy all your test API keys to make sure a test payment. So this is my publish key. You just have to click on that, copy that, and this is my secret key. You just have to copy that and fill these information over here, and then click on save changes and make sure you press the enable checkbox over here, and then you can refresh. As you can see, the Stripe payment method is not enabled. But I did not fill the information, so that is because of that. If I fill the information over here, well, right now, Stripe payment method used SSL for the payment option. The SSL is required, as you can see over here. Stripe is enabled, but SSL certificate is not detected. You need to check out to make sure the SSL is valid certificate. So I don't have an SSL certificate, the security certificate on this side because this is a dummy site. So that's why it is not working. But the procedure is the same for all the payment gateways, as I have discussed, like the PayPal, you just have to grab your secret key and publish key like that. You will just have to click on the developer move right now and grab these keys, the API keys, and this embedded in your the payment option, and then click on save button. So it will automatically connect it to your WooCommerce store. So this is it. I think for today it is enough, and I hope you like my video, and if you have any question we can discuss that. So until then, see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye bye.